Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial we're going to learn variables and data structures, Python 3 beginner 2. What is variable? Store the value or data types: integer, real numbers, booleans, strings, complex types like lists or dictionaries. Creating a variable. Python reserves space for a variable when the variable is declared or created. To declare a variable, we can use the structure variable name equal value. Just remember this, rewatch all the videos. Every video consists full of tips and you can learn many things from them. Do what I do in the videos, type all the codes as I do in the video and listen what I say and note them down. Okay, go to Linux and go to Python and type my number equal 3. Print my number equal 10. Print my number, and creating a variable. You will see all the definitions I say in the video, in the slides, so I just say all of them. How to creating a variable. Python reserves a space for a variable when the variable is declared or created. As I said, to declare a variable we use the structure variable name equal value. What is arithmetic? Python allows for 7 basic arithmetic operators: addition plus, subtraction minus, multiplication, division, modules, exponent, floor divisions, as you see. And those are the signs of what I said. You will see in the slides. Assignment. Python supports shorthand assignment, plus equals, minus equals, times equals, divide equals, mode equals, expo equals, float div equals, and link to list of operators in the description. It will be available. Strings are basically text. They are Unicode in Python, so you can use some Unicode emotions. We surround a string is codes. For example, test equal hello world. Easy as that. It's so easy. And lists hold an array of values. We declare a list with the square brackets, nums. To add to a list, we use the append function nums, append 21 for example. We can print a list with the print function, print nums. Dictionaries, similar to lists, uses a hash map, store a key and a value to that key. Use a colon to separate the key from the value. services FTP21 SSH 22. We can print the dictionary. Alright, now I'm going to talk more about variables. Variables are containers for storing data values. Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. For example, print x equal 5, y or y equal John. Print x, print y. Try it yourself. Variables do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. For example, x equal 4, the hashtag x is of type int, x equal Sally, and print x. Try yourself. I'm gonna give you many examples and you can try all of them yourself so you will learn better. Just practice, 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 and practice. That is the key of success. And casting. If you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. For example, x equal str parentheses and 3 in parentheses, y equal int 3 in parentheses, z equal float 3 in parentheses. You can try it yourself. That is a good example. Get the type. You can get the data type of a variable with the type with parentheses function. You will learn more about data types and casting later in this tutorial. String variables can be declared either by using single or double quotes. Case sensitive variable names are case sensitive. Python variable names. Variable names, a variable can have a short name like x and y, or more descriptive names, age, care name, total, volume, or anything. Rules for Python variables. A variable name must start with the letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. A to Z, O to 9, and etc. Variable names are case sensitive. Yep. Remember that variable names are case sensitive. That is very important. Multi-word variable names. Variable names with more than one word can be difficult to read. There are several techniques you can use to make them more readable. Camel case. Each word except the first starts with a capital letter. Pascal case. Each word starts with a capital letter. Snake case. Each word is separated by an underscore character. This video is almost over. I'm just going to tell you many values to multiple variables. Python allows you to assign values to multiple variables in one line. Remember that. And note that make sure the number of variables matches the number of values, or else you will get an error. Remember that. In the next video we will talk about input and output. Feel free to leave questions in the comments. I'll try to answer all of them. But please Google your question first. Just remember that. And in the next video yes, I said that. Thank you so much. Bye bye then. See you next video.